Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, convertible soft top, fog lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.